Careful, Ian. Don't fall, Milo. Ian, look at me. Say hello.
Hello.
That's a boy. Simon, can you say hello? Can you look at me, Simon? Ian, what's this tree full of? What's on this tree? What's that?
Money.
Money is all over the tree, isn't it? Say hello, Danny. Simon, look at me, Simon. I'm filming Tom, filming someone else.
It's a money tree.
A money tree. Who said money never grows on trees, eh?
It doesn't grow, it's been stuffed in.
It's slippy there, isn't it?
That's me.
What's that, Simon? No, he's just being silly. But Tom is kind of silly, so you have to expect that. Careful, Simon.